Hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little combination, oh my dates are on the show, put those away. A combination of a couple of things. So I've got a Morrisons haul that I filmed a couple of days ago actually, but I'm going to put it in today's video because I managed to get some really cool stuff that I wanted to show you. But right now we're going to be making a vegetarian double sausage egg McMuffin. McDonald's sell the infamous sausage egg McMuffins and they're one of Lawrence's favourite things from McDonald's, and he found yesterday in Tesco some vegetarian sausage patties, and apparently they have the same seasoning or herbs in it that McDonald's puts in their actual sausage patties. So we're going to make them today and just see how they turn out. It's actually breakfast time right now, so I'm going to get on with it because I'm very hungry. How are you all? Now it's April the 12th onwards. Are you okay about that? How are you feeling? Regardless, I hope you enjoy today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content and you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to join our lovely community here on YouTube. And let's go. Let's just go. Okay, first things first, I need to tie the hair up. For once in the last, I don't know, 6 months, it's tame because it's April the 12th and I got it done this morning, and how much better is life when your hair is freshly done. Okay, so the breakfast muffins. So first of all, we have English muffins that we picked up from Tesco this morning. We did want to get the Aldi sourdough English muffins because don't they sound incredible? If you tried those, let me know what they're like in the comments. Tesco is our closest supermarket and we're kind of in a rush. So we picked up the Tesco ones. I'll show you the patties. So these are the patties. They're from the brand Meatless Farm. I think we've tried like their no beef burgers, whatever they're called. So 4 plant-based sausage patties made with pea protein. It's got white pepper, nutmeg, coriander, onion in there. It does have the coconut flakes in there, which I think we discovered in another video. I didn't know what the coconut flakes were at the time, but it's used as fat to keep it all together. So they were £2.50, which is pricey, but they were down to 80p. So I think that's a blooming fantastic. I suppose let's get on with it. We're going to have a poached egg in there as well, using this because McDonald's have their poached eggs as a circle, don't they? So we're going to really try and emulate the McDonald's. These are vegan, but the whole thing is going to be vegetarian because we're having an egg and cheese. Let's get on with making it. We're also going to make hash browns from the freezer because that's what the McDonald's meals come with. Hello! So McMuffins are your favourite thing from McDonald's, aren't they?
They are. They're the best thing. They're the only thing worth getting at McDonald's.
Yeah, because sometimes we get Big Macs and whatever, but we always say we get headaches after. It doesn't fill you up.
It doesn't fill you up, and it's like the idea of the Big Mac is always better than the reality.
Yeah.
Whereas the McDonald's breakfast, the double sausage egg McMuffin, the reality is even better. So
we're going to get these in the oven and then start frying these up. We're going to give the patties, don't you just love the word patty?
Give the patties
smell. What?
No,
okay.
That's not alright.
It's like sausage roll.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah.
It smells like those vegan sausage rolls.
Yeah, so not a bad start.
It only takes 6 minutes. But
6
then
minutes
we've
to
got
fry.
eggs and cheese.
Okay. Oh, slimy. Oh. Yeah, it was a bit. Good. Lawrence is going to have a normal egg, or a normal fried egg on the side, so it's taking a little while, but I'll have the circle egg. They're looking good, aren't they?
They are looking very good.
I have to say, what I love from McDonald's is the, what do I get? It's like literally a cup of sugar. What is it?
Oh, the
caramel iced frappe.
Yeah.
So is it meant to have coffee in it?
Yeah, it does have coffee in it.
It basically tastes like a caramel milkshake. Oh, it's so good. I could have one a day if you know, if I could, but I better not, because it's not very healthy.
And then your one.
You haven't put any salt, should we put a little bit of salt?
I'll put some salt on.
Oh, okay, cool. Just in case that ketchup splurts. What ketchup does McDonald's use? Is it Heinz?
I don't know, I think so.
Right, shall we have a bite? I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, this is what they look like, by the way.
Looks good. Pretty authentic.
I think it looks pretty.
We've gone for Edam instead of like American cheese, but
Oh, is that what they do?
yeah. But
Okay, ready?
yeah. That's not bad.
Not bad.
That is not bad.
The sausage patty does taste like a sausage roll, a vegan sausage roll, but it's good.
Yeah. Definitely as close as I've ever had without it being the real thing.
Wow.
I mean, you know, obviously you can make it with like pork sausages,
Yeah.
which is obviously closer, but for a plant-based alternative, that's pretty good actually.
Really nice with ketchup.
Yeah?
I'm impressed with that. I'd give them that a strong 8 out of 10. I'd
Yeah.
buy them again and make it again.
So you got these purely by chance, did you say? Got these?
Price difference.
Yeah, because they're £2.50 for 4, which
And they're
is
small.
which is a lot of money. Plant-based pea protein, you know, it's a lot of money. But we got these on the mouldy shelf, yellow sticker, whatever you want it reduced, down to 80p. So for 80p, can't go wrong.
No.
£2.50, I would kind of say go to McDonald's.
Yummo. So while we finish this, I'm going to play the Morrisons haul. So enjoy that. Hello, I have just got back from Morrisons. I've got my trusty Guinness glass pint of water. I've just got back from Morrisons and I haven't been to Morrisons in ages and it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed just mooching around for ages and ages. I thought I'd do like a little Morrisons haul because I got some fun bits and I also did a click and collect type order from their clothing Nutmeg range. So really cute stuff that I wanted to show you. Was this the receipt? Okay, got my receipt, got my water, got the hiccups. Yeah, Morrisons was a lot of fun. There were some good bits in there. They've got some good gardening bits. All quite pricey though, so I tend to go elsewhere like Aldi. But so I just picked this up first. Whenever I go to Morrisons, I treat myself to an eclair. I don't know why, but I just really like the ones from Morrisons. I think they're really nice. So this is 2 chocolate eclairs. Such a random thing. I never eat these apart from very rarely, but I love them. They're so nice. £1.65 for those 2. Those are 2 large eclairs. They're definitely, you know, I've had bigger. You know, I got these. These look so nice. 6 large salt and pepper baps. These are absolutely, oh my god, they smell insane. These are absolutely delicious. They're just like a really savoury roll. They're great with like salty butter. I tell you what, if you like tuna mayo, they're so good with tuna mayo. £1 for 6. The bakery in Morrison smells just too good to be true, doesn't it? Now, really good from Morrisons. We're obviously trying to save money at the moment. Their pizza deal, I mean, I love Morrisons pizzas. We've had them before. I think I've done a video on Morrisons pizzas. Their pizzas, they do a pizza deal. So you get 2 10-inch pizzas. So you've gone for pepperoni for Lawrence and deep cheesy margarita for me. You get a garlic pizza bread, which is a 10-inch as well. And you also get a bottle of drink. They either had Red Coke, Diet Coke or Fanta. The Fanta was sold out. I would have gone for Fanta. I used to drink Diet Coke, but now I don't anymore because I'm like really funny about the sweeteners and artificial things. To be honest, Lawrence will drink this, but every now and then I do like cold, fat Coke. It's medicinal, isn't it? It used to make me feel a little bit better. Back in the early days of the first trimester when life was difficult. That was really good. Oh, I didn't even tell you the price. The price of that whole deal is £5.50. So I say £3, where is it? £3.53. That's what I saved. So £5.50 for 2 pizzas, a large garlic bread and a drink. I think that's pretty good. I got 2 of these, which are my absolute favourite. I'd say they're in my top 5 favourite vegan products. They are so good. If you've never had them, they're the Vivera shawarma. Are they shawarma? Yeah, shawarma kebab pieces. And they kind of emulate like kebab meats and things like that. But the flavour is absolutely delicious. We just fry them, like kind of dry fry them with a tiny bit of olive oil and garlic powder. And it's so good. They're really salty, they're really savoury. And they're £2.50 each normally everywhere you go, and Morrisons they were £2.50 each. I'll try find the video where I've made my vegan kebab dinner before on camera, and honestly this vegan kebab is like out of this world. I mean, we're not full-time vegans, vegetarians, but this dinner we have quite often because it is unreal. It's so Moorish. It's got loads of like veg and salad in there, but it tastes like a takeaway, and I just team it with a nice bread that I feel like that day. I found this in the Indian takeaways section of Morrisons, and it's garlic and coriander naans, and they sound nice. I quite like coriander. Not many people do they? I think this was £1. Was it £1? I would love to know what the Morrisons Indian takeaway, like home takeaway thing is like. It looked really nice. They had like masala, kormas, madras, I think of Rogan Josh. I don't know, they had loads of stuff. I know it's like a meal deal thing, but has anyone had one? I'd really love to know what they're like, because if they are nice, I've never been brave enough to buy it. But if it is nice, then yeah, I'd love to try it out. 2 cartons of organic eggs, because we eat a lot of eggs in this house. £1.75 each. Punnet of close cut mushrooms. We normally have like an omelette each week, or Lawrence makes a gorgeous mushroom soup. A little bag of radish. Love radish. We actually snack on it all the time. 55p. So the prices are a little bit steeper than Aldi, obviously, but not too bad. I have corn on the cob, which we're going to be having with our lunch dinner shortly. The reason I'm saying lunch dinner is because we've started having like our main meal around lunchtime. It's something my midwife recommended because the acid reflux in pregnancy is literally debilitating. £1.35 for those 2. They're really nice. Normally we make them on the barbecue, but I think we'll just dry fry them and then maybe add some butter or something. I bought a box of the Morrisons own Jaffa cakes. This is a 24 pack, and I remember the price being really good. 85p for 24 pack. That's really good. 2 bags of Doritos, because Doritos are my go-to crisp at the moment, especially cheesy Doritos. But I bought the blue cool original ones as well, because they're also delicious, and I know Lawrence loves the blue ones more than the cheesy ones. So these were actually 90p each from Morrisons today, so that was like quite a good deal. I picked myself up some Simply Sesame Seed Rivitas. This with avocado, hummus, and maybe some tomato or radish on top is literally so good. I really recommend it. £1 for this box. I got, I think these were £1 each. Yeah, £1 each, the Cadbury's brunch bars. I really love these. I think they're really delicious. There's 6 in each. Normally I get like kind of the supermarket dupes, but I just saw these today and actually really fancied them. So, you know, I was obsessed with Orangina. I'm now obsessed with Cloudy Lemonade. Cloudy Lemonade is just something else. I think about it, I dream about it. I just love it. So I bought some more Cloudy Lemonades. Yeah, I'll get those in the fridge. Treat myself to one tomorrow. I don't have fizzy drinks all the time. I know they also don't help with the stomach acid, but yeah, it's just a little treat every now and then. And then I got 2 of these for Lawrence. Boxes of Moretti beers. Meet my new friend. I also picked this up. It was a dying jasmine plant. I mean, it's not dying, but I think if I'd left it at Morrisons, it would have been dead. they've neglected to water it, and I think it'd fallen over and it's gone all kind of crisp, but a lot of the leaves are soft and green, and it's still green on the inside. And it's quite tall, which is fantastic. So a lot of like the legwork's already been done. But jasmine is a really, really good climber. It's a very low maintenance plant, and the smell payoff. If you like really fragrant floral smells and you want something low maintenance in your garden, also with a bit of a nice colour, I really, really recommend a climbing jasmine plant. So Morrisons was selling them. It was originally £10, but I paid £4.50 because I think they all looked a bit dodgy, so they were trying to get rid of them. But it still smells right now fabulous. Like, it just smells lovely. I really, really love jasmine plants. Okay, I also placed an order with Nutmeg, which is Morrisons clothing range, for some baby bits. So the first thing I picked up was some I think these are newborn. Yeah, newborn vests. Now, I hadn't bought any newborn things at all whatsoever. And I mentioned that in the video, and lots of people said that I should, because they were surprised that their baby was in newborn clothes for as long as they were, and they really needed smaller clothes at the start. So I've taken the risk. Oh no. Oh, do babies actually fit in these? Seriously. It's mental, isn't it? Like, an actual human will fit in that. But they're really cute. They're just like little ducky ones. So I like this one with the embroidered ducks. I think that's really sweet. No, I don't think our baby's going to be too big. Who knows? Apparently when my dad was born, he was born nearly a stone, weighing a stone. So that's lovely information that I definitely wish I hadn't learned. But it's not even like he was that big. He was just a very tall man. He's very slim. So yeah, looking forward to that. Anyway, these were £6. These are also newborn. I just bought 5 white sleep suits. Newborn as well. They've got integrated scratch resistant mitts, resistant soles to help little ones stay on their feet. I mean, I'm hoping my baby will be a future genius, but I'm not sure it'll be walking or running around when it's newborn. We don't know the gender of our baby yet, so not that it really matters, to be honest. But yeah, I've also got these. Oh, these are so gorgeous. These are 0 to 3. These are pastel floral bodysuits. I think they'll look absolutely gorgeous on a boy or a girl. I just think they're so gorgeous. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, they're so nice, aren't they? Yeah, they're just like small florals. I think florals look really nice in like boys or girls look really nice in florals. They've got the integrated mitts, which is really nice. It's a really nice soft cotton. They'll be perfect for summer, won't they? And then I got these ones, which are for newborns. Oh, look at that. I just think that's absolutely gorgeous. These are newborn, but I reckon they might fit, you know, they're not too much smaller than a 0 to 3, so I think we'll get a good use out of them. Pastel yellow and pastel blue. Absolutely gorgeous. I really do not need to buy many clothes at all because my sister-in-law is passing a lot down, so I did buy these out of, I couldn't help it, I really wanted them. Yeah, I'm just really, really happy with them. How much were they? So they were £8.50 each, and there's 3 each in there. So not the absolute cheapest, but a good price for like some really gorgeous sleep suits. Okay, I'm going to put all of this away now, and we're going to have our lunch/dinner. I hope you enjoyed this little quick Morrisons haul segment. I love Morrisons. I always have. Yeah.